Welcome to Get Solutions. This is your Lokesh. So in this session, we are going to discuss the cost reduction concept. The name only indicates, and see the diagram which shows the down arrow mark, which means reduction or reducing. See, the name only indicates the cost reduction process. The cost reduction is a systematic effort or a systematic contribution towards improvement of profits for the business organization, which means the different type of efforts or contribution made by the business organization, by the workers and the employees towards the manufacturing and production activity to gain the profit. So the cost reduction speaks about the efforts which contribute towards the production activity to improve the profit margins or profit of the business organization. How? In the sense, by eliminating or avoiding all the forms of wastages and wasteful operations and unnecessary expenses which is incurred for the particular activity. These activities related to production process. So again, the cost reduction speaks about improvement of profit margin without damaging the generation of revenues or profits for the business organization. In other words, a cost reduction is a process of seeking the different alternative ways to achieve the objective, to achieve the given outcome or to achieve the given results through improving the designs, techniques or methods and incentives, etc. So overall cost reduction speaks about how the organization or the business firms will be going to improve their profitability without damaging the generation of revenues, and also the cost reduction mainly focus on eliminating the all the forms of wastages and wasteful operations and unnecessary expenses which is incurred for the wasteful operations in the production activity. So this is nothing but cost reduction or cost reduction process. Now you have a clarity about the cost reduction. So next we are going to discuss the cost reduction significances and how it is helpful to the business organization. See, the significances of the cost reduction in the business organization, the first and foremost use are significant. The cost reduction leads to an improvement in the competitive capabilities of the business organization or the company. How? In the sense, you know very well that cost reduction is a process or a systematic efforts all about to improve the profitability of the business organization. So when the profit increases or revenue increases, that is because of sales, then the reputation and goodwill of the particular business organization will also increases. When the goodwill increases, the health and wealth of the business organization is also increases. So it enables the business organization towards improving the competitive capabilities against the competitors. So this leads to ensure the business organization for its survival and growth or development and prosperity. So this is the first significance or importance of the cost reduction in the business organization. And the next importance, the cost reduction ensures the reasonable prices to the customers. So again, it follows the competitive capabilities of the business organization and survival and growth and prosperity. So when the company or firm satisfy the survival, which means continuous development leads to survival of the business organization by achieving short-term and long-term goals. It is because when the business organization provide the various goods and services at a reasonable price to its customer with a quality and also in quantity, then definitely it will achieve some loyalty. Then definitely it will be increases its reputation or good name in the minds of customers. So therefore, this cost reduction is also helps to ensure the reasonable prices to the customers. This ultimately leads to achieve the objective of the business organization. And the next importance, cost reduction create cash for reinvest in research and development. Yes, of course. How? In the sense, in the cost reduction process, it is all about searching the alternative ways to improve the profitability of the business organization. So these ways will definitely gives the certain required information to the business organization where we should reduce the cost, where we should maintain the quality, where we should improve the efficiency, where we should reduce the wastages or avoid the wastages. So when the business organization succeeds in reducing the wastages and reducing the wasteful operations in the business organization towards the production process, then definitely it will save some cost, it will save some expenses against wasteful operations. So this also called as it creates cash for reinvest in research and development. The reinvest in research and development is possible through the cost reduction process. So when the organization searching the alternative ways to improve the profitability of the business organization, then definitely it will helpful to the business organization to invest in the research and development for avoiding the wasteful operations and also expenses against the wasteful operations. And the next significance, it helps in reducing the manufacturing cost. You know very well the reduction process, that is cost reduction process, completely contribute to reducing the cost per unit or cost of the production process. So finally this cost reduction process helpful to the business organization in reducing the manufacturing cost by avoiding the wasteful operations and wasteful expenses. So when the wasteful expenses and operations reduces, then ultimately the cost of manufacturing will also going to decrease. So when the manufacturing cost decreases, it is possible to provide the goods and services to its customers at a reasonable price, and also it helps and it enables the survival and growth and prosperity of the business organization. So thereby it ultimately leads to increases the company value or value of the firm, that is because of reputation or goodwill, etc. So finally, this cost contribution contributes to eliminate the unnecessary expenses. The complete reduction, that is cost reduction process, concentrate and focuses on eliminating the unnecessary expenses and wasteful operations towards to increases the profitability and revenue margins. So these are the significances of the cost reduction or cost reduction process. Next, we are going to discuss how the cost reduction is different from the cost control. That is the differences between the cost control and cost reduction. So it is very, very important concept for your examination. So concentrate on the differences between the cost control and cost reduction. So the first difference, cost control. So cost control focuses on minimizing or minimization of the wastages. That you know very well, because the cost control is a systematic efforts to improve the profitability by searching the alternative ways to improve the profitability by eliminating the wastages and unnecessary expenses or unnecessary operations. Under cost reduction, the cost reduction focuses on minimization of the cost through new production process and improved plant layout and by scientific material handling. So you observe the slight difference between the cost control and cost reduction. The cost control is a systematic efforts, or it is a process, but focuses on eliminating and minimizing the wastages. But the cost reduction is a process along with the minimization of the cost, along with the minimization of the wastages and unnecessary expenses. It will implement the new production policies or process and also improve the existing plant layout and also by scientific material handling. So based on this, it will be going to minimize us the cost through following the procedures. But cost control only focuses on minimizing the wastages and unnecessary expenses. But under cost reduction, in order to minimize the cost, it will implement some new production policies against the existing policies and also improve the plant layout, and also somehow it improves the material handling by a scientific way. And the second difference, cost control is routinely applied on a continuous basis, but the cost reduction is applied when an opportunity for cost reduction is identified. So it is a continuous process, that is cost control is a continuous process, but cost reduction is applied when it is necessary for the business organization in the production process to reduce the cost or manufacturing cost. Cost control is a continuous process, but cost reduction is not a continuous process, but it is applied when the business process or business organization require the cost reduction process in the production process. And the third difference, cost control is a preventive action, but the cost reduction is a corrective action. See, there is a proverb, the prevention is better than cure. That prevention speaks about the cost control, or cost control speaks about the prevention. Therefore, it is called as a preventive action, which means before going to or before incurring the damages, in order to avoid that particular damage that will occur in the future, the cost control makes pre-plan, or it is a pre-planned action. Therefore, it is called as a preventive action. But cost reduction is a corrective actions. So, therefore, it follows the second difference. So, that is, cost reduction is applied when an opportunity for the cost reduction is identified. So, already the damage happens. So, after the damage occurred, then in order to overcome from the loss, the business organization will be going to implement the new policies and correct the existing policies against such loss. So therefore, the cost reduction is a corrective actions or corrective action, but cost control is a preventive action. Next, fourth difference, cost control emphasizes the present and past behavior of cost, and cost reduction emphasizes partly on present cost and mainly on future cost. So observe the difference between the cost control and cost reduction regarding the cost information, which means under cost control it includes or it emphasizes or it focuses on the current or present and past behavior of cost. That is how the historical cost will be affect the production process. So based on that cost behavior, the cost control will be going to carry down or carry out in the business organization towards production process. Similarly, in the cost reduction process, it includes partly on present cost and mainly on future cost. It will consider only a certain portion of information related to cost, that cost information related to present information. So therefore, that cost reduction focuses only partly information which related to present cost and mainly focuses on future cost. That is how the cost will be incurred for the future production activities. So therefore, here the focuses on the cost behavior is different under cost control and cost reduction. So therefore, the cost control includes and focuses on present and past behavior of the cost, but cost reduction focuses on partly on present cost behavior and mainly on the future cost behavior. And the next difference, cost control exercised by establishing the budgets or standards where there is a deviations of the actual results from the standard, which means variance. See, once again, this cost control exercised by establishing certain budgetary control rules are budgetary standards, which means in this cost control, the production manager will be going to fix up some standards. That is, where the actual activities or outcomes is different from the standards, which means where there is a variance identified. So, where there is a variance, it is possible through comparison of actual results with the standard results. So, in that situation, the cost control can be exercised. So, that is the case. The cost control is exercised by establishing the budgeted or budgets or some standards, rules and regulations where there is a deviations of actual results from the standard, which means where there is a variance between the actual and standard outcomes. Then the cost control can be applied. Similarly, observe the difference in cost reduction. Cost reduction is accomplished by improving upon the standards and methods of production, which means, and you know very well that cost reduction is accomplished by improving upon the standards, and you know very well the cost reduction process. So the cost reduction is a systematic effort to improve the profitability. That means, see, in the first difference, the cost reduction focuses on the minimization of the cost through establishing the new policies or new production process. Following this difference, in the fifth difference, observe here, cost reduction is accomplished by improving upon the standards and the methods of production, which ultimately leads to reduce the manufacturing cost or cost per unit. How? In the sense, through improving the new policies or new production processes or existing plant layout by the scientific way. And next, sixth difference, see, cost control is generally applicable to the items which have the standards, but the cost reduction is applicable to all activities or every activities that are involved in the production process. See the slight difference. In the cost control, this process applicable to the particular item which have a specific standards. So these standards fixed by the organization for the particular product is to be produced. But in the organization, for every activity, the cost reduction process will be applicable. So that is the difference. And cost control contributes for savings in the total cost. Once again, cost control focuses on savings in the total cost, but cost reduction focuses on savings in the cost per unit. It focuses, that cost control focuses on the total cost of the production wholly, but cost reduction focuses on manufacturing cost per unit or single unit. See the last difference. Cost control ends when predetermined target is achieved, which means in the cost control, the process ends when the target is achieved or when the process reaches its standard. But under cost reduction, it is a continuous, but there is no end. And one more thing you have to observe under the second difference, the cost control is different from the cost reduction on the basis of applicability, which means it is routinely applied on continuous basis, but the cost reduction is applicable when there is an opportunity for cost reduction is identified. Following this difference, observe there is no end, which means it is continuous. Continuous in the sense it is applicable when there is an opportunity for the cost reduction is identified. In that way, it is continuous. There is no end for this cost reduction process. But the cost control is not a continuous process. But cost control ends when the predetermined target is achieved. So these are the various differences between cost control and cost reduction. It is very important concept for your section B or for section C. So please focus on these differences.